ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Uminti sarkar pe yakatna social welfare ba polling do minta kasngi lokhot ban penlong ke jingalang ban phaidin ha ka bi day bat ki babon ki mat bat kham tam halor ki Kyrteng ki bela pha da committee wat banya ban thung 4% jang Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Habe kran bekla pathai khubor ba polling do ule tho ban pedeng ki South li ki Kyrteng ki bela ai jing mat da committee wat banya Dang don shu sa artli ki Kyrteng ki bidang pha thamai ba ban Shim ya karai ba khaddu on sa Shim hapo kani ka Taïew.
I have been informed that apart from the 4 names that were suggested and recommended by the search committee, 2 additional applications have also been received, and we will be taking a final decision within this week, since the last date for submission of such applications is already over. No, we wanted complete transparency, and in order to give everybody a fair chance, we said that we would go beyond the names recommended by the search committee, and which is why we went for an advertisement asking for applications from interested candidates. So in that process, 2 more applications have reached us.